Hello students, welcome to the polynomials part 3rd. In this video, we will learn about zeros or roots of a polynomial. So what are the zeros of a or roots of a polynomial is? In basically we can say that it is the solutions of a polynomial. So we can define the roots or zeros of a polynomial as a number x is equal to a number x is equal to a is called a zero of polynomial is called zero of a polynomial. Px, the polynomial is Px. If Px Pa is equal to 0, what it means? A number, if we want to put, if we want to find the zeros of a polynomial, we can put some value in place of x, and if by putting that value we will get 0, then the polynomial it is known as zero of a polynomial. अगर हमें किसी भी पॉलिनोमियल का जीरो निकालना है तो हम उस पॉलिनोमियल में एक्स वेरिएबल की जगह क्या पुट करेंगे, कोई नंबर पुट करेंगे, और वो नंबर पुट करने पर अगर हमें जीरो मिल गया तो वो नंबर हमारे लिए उस पॉलिनोमियल का क्या हो जाएगा, सॉल्यूशन हो जाएगा. तो दिस इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ व्हाट इज द जीरोस ऑफ ए पॉलिनोमियल. नाउ a question arises in our mind that how we can obtain it, how we can obtain it. So there are two methods. So basically there are two methods to obtain the zeros of a polynomial. So I make a chart here so you can easily understand. So I said that there are two parts, two ways to find the zeros of a polynomial. So the question in our mind is how we can obtain the zeros of a polynomial. So zeros of a polynomial can be obtained by these two methods. The first method is hit and trial method. And the another method is solving the equation. So first we will discuss about hit and trial method. That what is the hit and trial method is. So in this hit and trial method, by putting x is equal to a, by putting x is equal to a in a given polynomial, and then we will check. But we will check if on putting the value of x, that is a, if Pa is equal to 0, then a is zero of polynomial. और if Pa is not equals to 0, तो अगर हम a पुट करेंगे या तो वो जीरो बन जाएगा पॉलिनोमियल, या वो जीरो नहीं बनेगा. अगर जीरो बन गया तो वो पॉलिनोमियल क्या हो जाएगा, जीरो ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल। अगर वो जीरो नहीं बना तो क्या, इज नॉट अ जीरो ऑफ polynomial. Let's take an example. Let's take an example. With the help of example, let's understand what I am teaching you. So, for example, let's take check whether 3 and 0 are zeros of 2x square minus 3x. So this is the given polynomial and these are the two values. We have to check that these values are the zeros of the given polynomial or not. हमें ये चेक करना है कि जो वैल्यूज हमें दी हुई हैं ये गिवन पॉलिनोमियल की जीरोस हैं या नहीं है। तो हम क्या करेंगे, हम by putting x is equal to a, we will put these values in place of x, and if by putting we get 0, then it will be 0, otherwise it will not be the 0. 0 means solution of the polynomial. Let px will be equal to 2x square minus 3x. So then we will put x in 3 in place of x. So that is equal to 2 into 3 square minus 2 into 3. So it will be 2 into 9, that is 18, minus 2 into 3, that is 6, that is equals to 12, that is equal to 12. Sorry, it is 3, so it is here 9. So it will come 9, that is not equals to 0, that is not equals to 0. So it is not a zero of polynomial. Now we will put what, we will put 0 in place of x. So on putting 0 in place of x, we will get 2 into 0 ka square minus 3 into 0. So answer will be 0 minus 0, that is 0. So we will get 0. So 0 is the polynomial of, so 0 is the 0 of that polynomial. But 3 is not, but 3 is not. So this is the method of hit and try. We will put different values in the given polynomial. If we get 0, then it will be the 0 of the polynomial. If you don't get 0, it is not a polynomial, 0 of the polynomial. Now let's discuss the second method. Let's discuss the second method, that is solving the polynomial. Solving the polynomial. But how? By taking px is equal to 0. x को हम 0 लेकर इसको क्या करेंगे, पॉलिनोमियल को सॉल्व. एग्जाम्पल, let's take an example. We have a polynomial px that is equal to 2x plus 3. तो हम इसमें क्या करेंगे, इस मेथड में हम इस पॉलिनोमियल को क्या ले लेंगे, 0. क्या ले लेंगे, 0. Let px will be equal to 0. So on putting 0, we will get 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. So 2x plus 3 is equal to plus 0 plus 3 उधर जाके minus 3 हो जाएगा, और 2 मल्टीप्लाई में तो क्या आ जाएगा, डिवाइड. तो it will be equal to minus 3 divided by 2. It will be equal to minus 3 divided by 2. So this value of x, is the 0 of the given polynomial. So we can say that thus x is equal to minus 3 divided by 2 is 0 of polynomial. So these are the two methods. One is hit and trial method and the other one is solving the polynomial. These are the two methods, hit and trial method and solving the polynomial method. In solving the polynomial method, what we will do? We put the polynomial is equal to 0, and on putting the polynomial equals to 0, then we will get the value of x. So that value of x is the 0 of the polynomial. Now let's discuss about some properties of the polynomial, zeros of polynomial. So some properties of zeros of polynomial. Let's come downward. Let's come downward and write the properties of the zeros of polynomial. So let's write here, its properties are, let's discuss some properties. So the first property is every linear polynomial has unique zero. कोई भी अगर लीनियर पोलिनोमियल होगा उसका एक ही जीरो होगा. लीनियर पोलिनोमियल हैज यूनिक जीरो. Like we will put, this is a linear polynomial, so x is equal to minus 3 divided by 2 is the only zero of this polynomial. No other value can be the zero of this polynomial. So linear polynomial has a unique zero. Second property is a non जीरो कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल. जो जीरो नहीं होता वो कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल या कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल या नॉन जीरो कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल मींस एक ही बात है. ए नॉन जीरो कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल हैज नो जीरो. उसका कोई भी जीरो नहीं होता. मान लो 3 है, इसका कोई भी जीरो नहीं होगा. 2 है, इसका कोई भी जीरो नहीं होगा. देन थर्ड प्रॉपर्टी इज जीरो may be the zero of the polynomial. May be the zero of the polynomial. जीरो भी जीरो हो सकता है. जीरो मीन्स सॉल्यूशन. जीरो मीन्स सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल. तो जीरो भी जीरो हो सकता है, सॉल्यूशन हो सकता है पॉलिनोमियल का. लाइक इन दिस क्वेश्चन, जीरो इज द जीरो ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल. ए पॉलिनोमियल, fourth property, a polynomial can have more than one zero. एक पॉलिनोमियल में एक जीरो से ज्यादा भी जीरो हो सकते हैं, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन इट्स नेचर. डिपेंडिंग अपॉन इट्स, उसके नेचर पे डिपेंड करेगा. अगर क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल है तो कितने जीरोस होंगे? 2. क्यूबिक है तो 3. लाइकवाइज उसके नेचर पे डिपेंड करेगा कि उसके कितने नंबर ऑफ जीरोस होते हैं. So these are the properties of the polynomial. So today we will discuss about the zeros of the polynomial. So these are this topic we have discussed. So firstly we will discuss what is the zero of the polynomial and then how can they be obtained, and in last we will discuss about the properties of the zeros. So I hope you will clearly understand this, and in next video we will discuss about the NCERT questions of exercise 2.2. I hope you clearly understand. If any doubt, you can ask in comment section. Please subscribe, like and share. Maths with Dheeraj sir. Thank you so much.